Okay, hi, this is Anna, and this is Check It at the Round Table, where we discuss movies, books, music, and stuff. And I'm sorry, today you can see I'm a little shiny. It's because it's very humid here, and I'm not wearing makeup in this humidity. It's not going to happen. But anyway, so today we are doing an unboxing of the Soft regular size earbuds. I have the minis in my ear right now. I just put them in here a few minutes ago. I'm going to upload my video on the minis here too, but just so we have a separate video on the regular size Converse. So these come with a little bag. Again, I don't trust these bags with squat, so I'm not going to probably be using them for that because what if they fall out? Okay, yeah. So these are the regular size Converse. Okay, let's trace out. So to give you a size comparison, these are regular size. These are the minis. Okay, they're a little bit smaller, as you can see. They are also equally as. Now the larger size is more deafening than the minis initially. I'm not sure long-term wear. Also, they're a little more sticky outy in the ear than the minis. I think I'm going to probably prefer the minis just because they're less obtrusive. But anyway, I will be wearing these. I think you have to wear them a couple of weeks to see if they really work for you or not. I've only been wearing them for like 5 minutes, but I can tell you it's a lot more than it was before. So I will definitely be wearing these things, but I think, because I do not have misophonia, I have neurological deafness, but also I'm autistic, so I don't know if I don't like sounds because of that too. But anyway, I would say that these are a win. So I bought mine in a 2-pack, so I have the regulars and I bought the minis because that way I think I spent like $7 more to get both than to just get one kind. And I didn't want to lose a pair and not have them if I really like them. So the other thing is I will probably, if I do like these, be buying another set of the minis because these could be quite a game changer, I am thinking. So I am just going to pop the large size ones back in the container. Mini bag, large bag with its little thing. And nothing against the large one, because there could be a reason you want to have more silence. So if you did, I would do the larger one because it's a little more quiet. But for walking around the house, for looking somewhat less strange perhaps, I like the mini ones because they are not as visible to people. You can also get a clear one, but my feeling on the clear one was if I drop them, I'm not going to be able to tell where the clear one is, where with these light blue ones, I will be able to tell where they are. So it was like $37, $38 to have them shipped to me, shipping included, and the 2 pair of earbuds. Totally worth it, I think. Check it at the round table. Bye.